Chili weather calls for the best chili recipe, and this creamy white chicken chili is the best ever. Let me show you how to make it. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making creamy white chicken chili. It is loaded with cheese and beans and fresh chicken. It is to die for, and it's so simple to make. You can have this on the table in less than 30 minutes. So my secret to this coming together so quickly is using either rotisserie chicken or leftover Sunday roasted chicken. So if you have already made chicken that you just have hanging out in the refrigerator, this is what you want to make with it. It is so, so good. So let's go over to the stove and I'm going to show you how to make it. So to make your white chicken chili, you're going to heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Once your olive oil starts to shimmer, we're going to stir in the onions and then just cook them until they're softened. It takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the garlic and cook for 1 minute or until fragrant. Add the cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, and then stir that all to combine. Stir in the chicken and the cornstarch and then cook for 1 to 2 minutes. The cornstarch is the thickening agent, so that will help thicken up your chili a little bit. Stir in your lime zest, the juice, and the beans. Next, add the chicken stock and then bring everything to a boil. Just stir it occasionally so nothing sticks to the bottom. Turn the heat to low and stir in the half and half. Then simmer for 1 to 2 minutes more. Stir in your cream cheese and the cheddar, and just keep stirring that until your cheddar melts into your chili. Continue to cook your chili for 5 to 10 minutes longer or until it starts to thicken. Now we're gonna move it back to the counter to finish it off. So our chili is finished. So now I'm going to put some in a bowl and show you some of my favorite serving options, some of my topping ideas. You don't have to top it with anything, but I like to zhuzh it up a little bit with some cheese and jalapenos and lime, cilantro. You can use sour cream and some fun tortilla strips. I'm gonna do one more. Actually very hungry. So if you wanna just add a little bit of lime and some cilantro, maybe a bit of cheese, and then some tortilla strips. I love the tortilla strips in this. It gives it some crunch, a little more texture than just like your chili, and then some jalapenos. Now I'm gonna just give it a little taste. It's super hot. That is so good. There's a little bit of heat from the cayenne and the chili powder. It's rich and creamy. The beans make it, so please don't leave the beans out. It is so good, so, so good. The ultimate comfort food. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.